Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay a lot for a little when you can spend a little and make a lot? Today we're going to make Copycat Cheesecake Factory mashed red potatoes. We're going to start by quartering 2 pounds of red potatoes. We're going to go ahead and add them to our pot of water. Over medium-high heat, we're going to bring the potatoes to a boil. Once they start boiling, we're going to cook for 20-25 minutes or until they're fork tender. Now that the potatoes are done, we're going to smash them. With them smashed, we're going to set them aside to a pan over medium heat. We're going to add half a cup of butter. Now that the butter's melted, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Now we return the potatoes to the other pot. Now we're going to add the garlic butter to the potatoes. We're going to stir in 2/3 cup of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. We're going to cook this at medium heat for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That's a darn good mashed potato. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.